This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up the Stanbic mobile app. First, you will need to download the official Stanbic app from your device's app store, whether it's the Apple App Store or Google Play. Make sure your mobile device meets the minimum operating system requirements for optimal performance. Also, have your Stanbic account details readily available, as you will need them for the initial registration process. This ensures a smooth and quick setup. Once the app is installed, open it and look for the Register or New User option to begin. You will then be prompted to input your personal and account information. It is crucial to enter these details accurately to avoid any issues. Next, you will create a secure username and a strong, unique password. Remember, a strong password typically includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and special characters for enhanced security. After registration, it is highly recommended to enhance your app's security. You can set up biometric authentication, such as fingerprint or facial recognition, for quick and secure access to your account. Additionally, enable two-factor authentication, which provides an extra layer of protection by requiring a second verification step. Always verify your contact details within the app to ensure you receive important notifications and one-time passcodes for secure transactions and account recovery. With your account set up and secured, take some time to familiarize yourself with the app's dashboard and the wide range of available banking services. You can easily utilize features like making fund transfers, paying bills, and viewing your account statements. Should you encounter any questions or need assistance, remember that you can always access the in-app support or browse the frequently asked questions section for quick and helpful answers. Enjoy the convenience of mobile banking.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.